Yes, mama. Hey, baby, morning. Happy Sunday to you, too. Yeah, I think about what me and Vanya go cook today. I'm not sure. I don't know if Vanya, I don't know where me I come up with. Vanya said me if text her. You enjoy last night? Okay. You really enjoy last night? I was just having fun. Like, no joke. A long time I dey on my chat. And me sit down and me just have fun and just relax and enjoy myself. Me not lie to you. They make it feel a way. I mean, I like it. You get me? They make it last night. Oh, it go. Not like that. I don't like it. I mean, I tell you the truth again. You see me? Me one type of person like this. You say you feel like you want to style me, you're not going to get the chance to do it. You style me once, you're not going to style me twice. I was just joking, guys. Like, you say, what happened? They feel like, say, me did I run a joke last night, then think like a serious something. Right? Me never mean nothing. Like, me don't know how people take things so serious. All the freak people are going to take things so serious. Bro, me never did mean nothing at all. Good morning, baby. What? I'm at work. But me there go and chat with my people them on the chat. Blessed morning to you, sunshine. I'm loving it. Sunshine, you did it last night too? Yeah, it was great, loving. Okay, I'm listening. But you did say that it was just okay. No, you see them now, then take it serious. Then take it dead serious. You understand? Me know say the man have a woman. And by the way, me I go unfollow Jakes. Get dead serious, me I unfollow him. Because me no want him come go on like he feel like say nobody want him. So me I unfollow him backside too. You hear me tell you? I mean I tell him my mind. Because I never know say him did he go on like say me really want him or something. You understand? And when me realize, I when scream record you can end up see what the person really has say and what them are going like. Me no want him, bro. I joke me I make. I joke me I make. I joke me I make. Guys, them take it thing serious. Like literally them take it serious. You understand? I'm just not dance and I run joke. That's all me did do. And I enjoy myself. Sunshine, and everybody take it see, and everybody take it say it was just fun. And all of them take it so. Right? Them take the thing serious. Me not play back no more match with him. And I play not one more fucking match with that man there. Cause just joke me dynamic. Them take it something serious, bro. And me can't make people tap me for enjoy myself or do what I want to do for make myself smile. Me no see make no sense. You understand me? I not go disrespect him because I want to feel like he can come ramp with me. You understand me? By the way, me I drop a video. Me I drop a video and tag him right in the video. You understand me? I say, me not run that one more joke with him. Me now, me unfollow him too. Too blood clot out of order and bright. God forgive me. God forgive me. So early in the morning. It burned me. Nah, lie to you. Hold on, eh. Good morning, baby. I'm block that girl off on page. Morning, baby, morning. Okay, everybody, you enjoy last night, you don't? Oh my God. People never really enjoy themselves. It was fun. Okay. Talk it truth. It was just fun, not true. I enjoyed last night. Yes. So in a no way there's something that really like take anything serious, guys. It was just fun. You see? Una never take nothing seriously, that's so not true. Morning, Maka. Apparently I can't run joke again. All with Z. Z was so nice, like me love run joke with her and whatever. But to how them take it things serious. Me not run no more joke with that man there because I don't want him to come and feel like he want to come pass in place because people already feel my cuss me already. Him now, him a make it look like say somebody at like want him or something. And I just joke me and me not run no more joke. Not one more joke. All my friend me end up and call me and I look at me and say, yeah, me block you. You have a
Good
block.
morning, babe.
Morning, baby.
Yeah, don't bother with them. You look good. I think it's just jealousy too. It's also
Huh?
jealousy. You look damn good and you can dance. Okay? So, you know it was just fun. People know it was just fun. We all were having fun in you. But you know what the media say, they extra.
Yeah, there is to
So,
a level
just
where
don't
them
bother with
can't
that.
go me don't like
I
sunshine.
think you should act like Jake. Yes, Jake, don't play no more games, Jake. Because he
Yeah, me
probably
not
think you
play
were
no more
serious
game with
because
him.
he have a woman. And he knows that you're dating.
Yeah, look here. I play with GX.
And you
Remember I
have
said
to take
GX
a
have
responsibility.
Chevy? Huh?
Annie, you have
Yeah,
to
what you
put on
say?
some more pounds for Jake. He like the big ones. You
No,
can hear me?
listen. I was just joking. Me never know say that take it serious.
Yeah,
Remember me
I
and
know you were
Chevy are friend.
joking.
Yeah, remember me and Chevy are
Mm.
friend, right? Remember same having baby mother for how much years? I was just joking. We just run a joke with him, like seriously.
Yeah,
Who
yeah.
the one who got there with
Mm-hmm.
GX? We could never want to go in a relationship with GX. It don't come like me, I pick up one more baggage by myself.
I know, right?
You understand?
Yeah. Well, we know you were
Not
joking,
run.
but I think people take it serious. So,
Yeah, right?
mm-mm.
And that's no like me I look on it and me I say, seriously? Why you don't really take this serious? Right? I was just joking. Even when my girl Z come in and Z start run for your joke too and he start getting even more nicer. You understand what me I say?
Uh-huh. Yes.
So, Mrs. Me say the man over there take it well serious. Like I want him for sure or something. And he was being
Nah.
disrespectful. Brother, may I block him? May I tell him my mind? I mean, I want him fucking blood clot self with me. God forgive me, but it's just the truth. Me not want him ramp with me. I mean, I go block him. I mean, I tell him my mind. You get me? Because them now go
Mm-hmm.
come go. They want disrespect people certain type of way. I want video
Yeah.
me see, After me see the video, me I say, wow, look how me did their full job. Me say, me never know so they take it serious.
Yeah. Okay, sis, I'm gonna come out for this phone because I guess because I'm at work, I don't have the signal are probably not good, so
All right,
it
babe.
sounds like I'm muffling and stuff.
All right,
So you
babe.
have a good day, enjoy yourself. Don't let nobody spoil your day. Today's Sunday, put on some gospel music and just
Yeah, me I go
up,
drive out. Me I will
lift
drive
the
and come
vibe.
back. Me I drive out and come back first.
All right, sis. Good. All right, you have a good one. Be safe.
All right,
Love
babe.
you.